Kiwi Dollar Daily Forecast, April 12th, FXEmpire.com. The Kiwi Dollar pair rose during the Wednesday session, but was hardly impressive in doing so. Sure, the original pitch forward was strong, but as you can see, it gave up quite a bit of the gains during the session in order to form a shooting star shaped candle. Not only did it form this bearish or at least weak looking candle, but also fell into what is looking more and more like a bit of a wedge or a triangle at this point. The pair, of course, is risk sensitive, and with the sell off we saw on Tuesday, it's possible that we are getting ready to see more risk aversion in the financial markets going forward based upon this shape. This pair is always a bit whippy, as it is less liquid than many of the other pairs out there, but it is also a favorite for the exact same reason. After all, when the commodity markets gain, this pair normally outperforms the Aussie and Loonie. With this in mind, of course, it's always important to keep one eye on. The triangle that we see in the red lines on the daily chart does in fact signify a tightening of the range. However, we do have many reasons to think that there is a ton of support below. After all, we have the 200-day moving average. We have the 38.2, which has proven to be supportive recently. And of course, we have the 80, which is wedged in between the 38 and the 50% Fibonacci. And 80, of course, is a large round number, so that will have some psychological weight as well. By far, the simplest trade would be a breakout on top of this downtrending line here on this triangle in order to send us into more bullish action. After all, that's what the longer term trend is. But if we do get the daily close below this triangle, that can't be ignored. It may not be a great signal to sell the Kiwi. There's going to be other things to fight through below. But if we do see that, we could see a significant sell-off in the Aussie, the Canadian dollar, perhaps even the Aussie and the CAD, maybe even the pound against the yen could sell off as well, as risk aversion would take the markets by storm yet again. Again, though, as far as this pair is concerned, to do a pure Kiwi dollar play, a breakout to the upside is going to be much easier.